YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video I have for you guys this glass skin makeup look, as well as a little first impressions on one of the new Rare Beauty blushes. So if you guys want to see all of that, make sure you keep on watching. Alright y'all, first things first, please do not bully me because yes, this is my first time wearing a wig. I know my head looks huge, but in actuality, like, that is where my hairline starts. I have a huge forehead. I don't know how to feel. Please don't bully me, please. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to be color correcting my dark spots using the Pinky Rose Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to be using this orange shade. Yep. Alright, so I didn't blend that out so that I could get more coverage. I'm using the McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in the shade 18. And I'm going to be applying that with the Morphe M439 sponge brush. Since I didn't color correct my under eyes and I need a little extra coverage today because I slept 3 hours last night, I'm gonna first go in with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Ginger, and then I'm gonna go on top of that with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. So going back into the Pinky Rose contour palette, I'm gonna go into this shade and I'm gonna contour. Alright, so now I'm only going to set my under eyes, and I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. Alright, so now for the most important part, the part that you guys were all waiting for. We're going to be trying out one of the Rare Beauty blushes. This is the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Grateful. It says here, a long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush. So here she is. She's this beautiful, bright candy apple red. I think the packaging is absolutely stunning and super unique. I did hear that these bottles were specifically made for people with issues like arthritis, and my dad has arthritis, so I had him test this out, and he said it was much easier to open the product like this than it would have been to open it like this. So that's confirmed. It does have a doe foot applicator so that you can dot it in on your base, but honestly I would not recommend that because I swatched her and one dot is enough to have you looking like a clown, so you got to be real careful. I'm excited because I've been really into like red blushes recently. I just think they're so beautiful. They make you look so like healthy. But I'm not like the biggest fan of like liquid and cream blushes, so I'm a little nervous. What else do I gotta tell y'all? Oh, this is the only thing I picked up from the brand, honestly, because the brand is more focused on like natural skin and natural beauty and all of that, natural makeup, and that's not me. I like a full coverage. No shade to the brand, obviously. I think that everything they came out with was so amazing, and I'm so proud of Selena. But yeah, we're gonna be testing this out, and the way I'm gonna be applying it today is actually a little different from how I usually apply my blush. Like, as of recently, I've only been applying my blush to my cheekbones. I know, like, that sounds so like your cheekbones, but it makes your face look more lifted. It gives you that Bella Hadid face. I love me some Bella Hadid. But the way I want to apply this today is I want to apply this like all over my face. Like, what was that? Like even on my nose and everything, and just bring it in here, which I stopped doing because I just want to look like a really cute anime character, like blushing, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use one dot on the back of my hand. Okay, that much. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques sculpting brush to apply it. This is supposed to be for contour, but I don't like it for contour. I like it so much better for like blushes that are like cream to powder or liquid or cream or whatever, because it's really dense. So yeah, I'm just like, y'all see, you gotta be real careful. Okay, so I'm starting to look sunburned, which is what I was looking for, so I'm not mad at that. But I'm starting to notice, I don't know if it's because of the brush I'm using, but I feel like the more that I blend it out, the more that the blush lifts the products that I have underneath. Like, I feel like my foundation kind of, like, I lost coverage here, which I don't like. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep making ourselves look sunburned. I'll make it work. So I went in with whatever was left on my foundation brush and I toned it down. But I have to say, on camera I look worse than I do in person. Like, in person it looks cute, but like on camera I look like Larry the Lobster. Okay, so I did a few things off camera. I did set my T-zone because, you know, that gets really oily, but only my T-zone, nothing else. I did add some lashes. These are the, what lashes are these? These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood lashes, and I contoured my nose. Now I'm gonna do my lips and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Y'all, I forgot to mention a huge step to this like glass skin, and it's the Maybelline girl, what is wrong with me? The Maybelline glass spray. This will make you so dewy, it's not even funny. Alright, you guys, I'm back to give you guys my final thoughts on this Rare Beauty blush. So I do have to say, she does stain. That's not an issue for me, but you know, I'm just mentioning that. I already washed my hands with soap and this is the outcome. So I have to say, like, I don't know, I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. I don't know if it's because I applied it with a brush, but I did not like how it lifted the product underneath, the products that were underneath. I've used that. I apologize for the noise in the background. I've used this brush multiple times in the past, so I mean, I've never had that brush do that to me, but I am going to try the blush out with a sponge. But yeah, we're looking greasy. I know that people like this look. This is not my preferred look. I prefer a matte face, but you know, I don't think it looks that bad. So yeah, that is all for this little first impressions. I'm gonna keep using this baby out to see if I really like it or not, but so far I'm so-so. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.